Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we get into this honey palette, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button, and then of course hit that bell to get notified when I upload a new video, because your girl uploads daily on this channel and you want to be notified. And if you're new, welcome gorgeous, welcome to the gorgeous family. I totally hope you subscribe, click that notification bell, and then you can be a part of the hashtag notification squad. Comment down below if you're part of the squad. But yes, we are going to get into this honey palette. I'm going to try and do swatches of everything. Obviously I only have one arm, so I'm either gonna have Jacob do the swatches or I'm gonna do the swatches on him. If not, you guys will still see how I get this look. I pretty much used every color in this palette except for Stinger, which is that color right there. Everything else I use, but let's get into this video. So this is the finished look. I am loving it. I'm obsessed. I will give this palette a huge thumbs up. It's definitely a must buy for me. Obviously the glitter has a little fallout, so if you see like little reflex on my face, that is from the glitter. But with any glitter you're gonna have fallout, you guys. But I just love the fact that they put a glitter in there like that, just a pressed powder, like a pressed glitter. That is freaking amazing. I love it. And it's called Palooza. It reminds me of, if you have seen Trolls and they're like glitter palooza, glitter palooza, it totally gives me like Trolls vibes. But I literally am obsessed. I've been looking for some nice yellows. I felt like for $12, super affordable. I mean, it comes with a variety. Buzzkill is like a lighter type brown, so it's good for your crease. I did end up putting on top of it my bronzer, which is the BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer and Cocoa Cutie, just to kind of deepen it a little bit. But I didn't want to take from the yellow because I feel like the star of the show are the yellows. But I pretty much used all the colors except Stinger. Yeah, I literally used everything except Stinger, which is this one up here. It does come with a mirror. You guys know I love a palette that comes with a mirror. And then I put Sunburst in my inner eye. Oh my gosh, that color is bomb. Like, everything's just gorgeous. And then I just ended up lining my eyes with the KKW Beauty. This is the So Fire, and this is in yellow gold. So I lined it and it went perfect with this look. And then on my lips, I just used the NYX Slip Tease. This is in I Woke Up Like This. And then I put the Super Stay Maybelline Matte Ink in Loyalist on top. So that is my finished look, you guys. I love it. The only thing I think is, if you're going to do this eye and you're going to use that glitter, definitely do your foundation before, because again, you can get that fallout. And I already had my foundation done. So I'm like, usually I do my eyes, then my foundation, but this time for video purposes I did my foundation first. But again, this is an overall thumbs up for me, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. 12 bucks, you cannot beat that. And I do have the strawberry shake on the way and orange you glad, so I will be doing reviews on those as well. Again, $12, you guys. This is amazing, amazing quality. The pigmentation is there. It's not like patchy. I mean, it's a great palette. So I definitely give Honey a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Of course, share. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did do it with one hand. Again, guys, I'm going to be doing a few one-handed looks. But yeah, this is the overall look. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Have you guys picked up this palette? Do you plan on picking up this $12 palette? And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.